In this video, I'll be showing you guys what's working for the state of Florida. So grab a pen, stay with me, and let's break it down. Well, alrighty, welcome back everyone. It is great to be here again with you guys. Big thanks to everyone who's recently joined and became part of the Lottery Geek community. So after taking a close look at how Florida numbers move in each draw and putting different lottery methods to the test, I discovered the workout that works best in this state. Another method also looked good at first, but the patterns were too scattered and inconsistent. In today's video, I'm going to walk you guys through the best method for Florida and explain it step by step so you will know exactly how to use it. For today's example, I'll be starting with Florida date March 1st, 2026 to show you how those numbers hit. So let's dive in. Now the way that you start setting up this workout is by starting with the number 7. When starting with the number 7, you want to add that number all the way down and stop before its mirror digit shows. So for me, I will start with the number 7 and then add down and stop before the mirror 7 digit shows. Here's what that looks like. Once you have done that, it's now time to add the next digit. The next digit that you want to add besides 7 is the digit 0. When adding 0 beside the number 7, you will repeat the same steps for the digit 0 just like you did for the digit 7. So for me, I will add my 0 beside 7, then I'm going to add down and stop before 0 mirror digit shows. Here's what that looks like. Once you have those numbers set up, it's now time to add the third digit. When adding the third digit, instead of adding, you will count backwards all the way down and stop before its mirror digit shows. So for me, I will add my third digit, which is the digit 3, and then count backwards all the way down and stop before 3 mirror digit shows. This is what that looks like. After you have counted backwards for your third digit and stopped before its mirror digit showed, it's now time to add the last digit to this workout. When adding the last digit to this workout, you will repeat the same steps just like you did for the third digit. So for me, I will add my next digit, which is 6, and then count backwards all the way down and stop before 6 mirror digit shows. Here's an example. Now that you guys have this workout set up, it's now time to apply your date sum. Now this plus plus minus minus workout is the best method to use for the state of Florida right now, and the date sum that's working for your state too is the back 1 month plus day date sum. Once you have went back one day and have added that month and day together, it's now time to add it to the workout. When adding that digit to the workout, you will circle that last digit off of that day mirror digit in the workout. After you have circled that mirror digit in the workout, you will then add that month and day together and circle that digit in the workout too. So for me, I will go back one day to the date February the 28th and then take the mirror from 8, which is the digit 3, and circle it in the workout. And then I will add that month and day together, which gives me the digit 0, and circle that digit in the workout too. Here's what that looks like. On March the 1st, 2026 midday, the number that hit for that day was 9722. Here's a side by side so you can see the way it came. Now when it comes to finding your night hits, The steps are a bit different, but it's not too complicated. The first thing you want to do is mirror all your numbers from the workout. This is what that looks like. Once you have mirrored all those numbers from the workout, it's now time to apply your date sum. Now when applying the date sum, you will circle the same ones you did in the other workout, but in this night workout, you will add 2 more digits to it. Now the way that you get the other 2 digits to add to it is by adding the month and the day in the month up together from the current day that you're in now, and then circle the non-mirror digit from going back 1 day in the workout too. So for me, I will add my current month and day in the month up together, which gives me the digit 4, and circle that in the workout. Then go back 1 day to the day February the 28th and circle that non-mirror digit, which is 8, in the workout. Here's what that looks like. On March the 1st, 2026 evening time, the numbers that hit for that night was 1, 2, 3, 5. Here's a side by side so you can see the way it came. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. There is more in store where that came from. And Mississippi, your video is up next, so make sure to be on the lookout. Thank you for watching and feel free to comment.